Supporting the mission directly translates into changing people's lives. Direct services are performed, volunteers come and they build relationships, they get to know one another, and they learn from one another, and both come away with new strengths, new opportunities. We need continued support, and there's so many more things that need to happen, and we need more people to make that real.
Over the years, Red Bird Mission has enjoyed enthusiastic support and life-changing relationships from the United Methodist Church and other denominations. Today, our mission needs your help to maintain the ministry areas at the level our community needs and deserves. Your donations to the Red Bird Mission sustains the schools, medical and dental clinics, intensifies opportunities for economic development, fortifies our community housing improvement with the work camp component, and empowers community outreach, which strengthens family, elderly, and community aid ministries. At Red Bird Mission, we believe that through God's grace and with your help, we are transforming lives and hearts in Appalachia and, for those who come to serve, the rest of the world.